GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel now don't sa emia bell ne so we be notification and it's an news and betu bia we be etie and I say we be ahwe e wo GCN page ha medin e de adwoa searching bright e kan NPP communication team members no na bright e na oka say nesema okay na ne say the only legacy Oman Penny that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama etumi edi eja teacher training for and a nursing training for cheeky answers. And omo nursing training and a teacher training no omo catch Oman Penny that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so omo palawa edi atwetwe omo ho se na ebe omo ho betumi ato omo Oman Penny that catch omo says ebi yezemu on to me ntua lawe bia mfa omo nzo omo je omo se so omo tools omo kuku and omo kaka no omo kotene fi no ntumi tua alawe bia emfa omo and na teachers na nurses omo de omo awe hu omo school omo hwie no omo se ne omo ampani dada de be oso a ye be to aba na etia o papa and omo to aba na de etia omo ampani dada John Dramani Mahama 2016 sorry 2016 His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado ebe ye omo ampani Nanado be ye omo ampani nurses for na teachers omo de omo hia de eto na nim se omo pe alawa e de twom ho no His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado etumi restore alawa ne mo a and the teachers and nurses for mo di alawa mo tumi e de twom ho bibia e fine na bright ne kasemu e na o chese omo ampani dada de eba ne cheeky answers bi oni tu papa omo ampani dada obetu cheeky sia Ghana youth esu omo ampani dada ye pedwa also me ya magician na me create jobs omo ampani dada light no edum na eso ye nduma essay also mu charge phone less na light ni betumi ejina so e no kokon se ye nti obi a ene ensama kese omo ampani dada John Dramani Mahama ka kire Ghana fo wa bro ye omo ampani wo memu no enya asem keto akra na no e na bright e kire se enyama we na His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado e na NPP aban omo ba ye omo ayede ama Ghana fo mo ani so no omo ampani dada de onte hwe e na ende onam se oko thank you to na thank you to omo ampani dada ayekon and abet northern region na no okensem say thank you to no oko say campaign no ye o ene ye ntumi kira che say akoye nsem bebre wo Ghana ha no na bright e che say omo ampani dada onsem a wonam a wo ka say His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado e incompetent na ho nsem na de ani jaika because wo abayo omo ampani da cheeky answers no nima wo kike bi pa che Ghana fo enti na eto aba no e de etia o enti si ato aba na etia no akotene chen a tinanchen na Nanado embu na membu emfama Ghana fo because His Excellency ebe ye president 1D1F ekoso NAPCO teacher training allowances we to nurses for so this free SHS Ghana for chese even COVID imu a o my baby ya de no am my foforo so omo ebo His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado na ba so papa say o ye good president we to manage Ghana economy ni ya amanfo bebre abo His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuado na ba so a o man peni da abra o ye president o de yen ko IMF ede embargo etu adwuma so achese ye ntumi nya ye ho babia wo man Ghana ewu no man peni da o de yen ko IMF ni bo na COVID ni wo e na COVID wo ho de an na ka ebewu na ensem say e na bright ede etu dwa
Baba to go from Moses and Keka. He has not said anything. No. And as I said, I'm challenging him that on first sector be also a year, dear, as President Akufo-Addo Memuono, and then we will stop campaigning for MPP and then campaign for him. And dear Pano Yama Ghana for the time when I soon bomb Ghana for, and it will call back. In respect of the legacy Papa Bi Ojano. But I can tell the good people of Ghana and those people who are listening to us that the only legacy of former President Mahama that we can boast of, and it's at the time, no as nurses and teachers allowance. Michama must have been prejudice against some who it was a legacy that he left for us. And it's so much I catch and say, one of the time I know your president was say, yet the Ghana for Monsam for Tassamu High. So no or your sumo this year, and not to be near friend doom so, or me never try for 4 good years. Or about one of the legacy beyond say, or catch a Ghana for say costo. Yet the light na ye. Now so me dear sub in previousa, costo near the Namguno, Memam for Namungum, Sabi, Mudi a fru, and a begu costomu, the Quana or Tepampine. This were the legacy of former President Mahama. And Ghana man. And you are talking about say what you know. Now you better than the only say kosum bring. And about flow control was here. On you also control printing fee and answer was here examination fee be near permanent secretary. And the present for the administration.
Any farabai, any natamunguna and because they have taken money from somebody. This is what is going on in Ghana. Yenya Captain Smart because ultimately Kufuado attempt free. Yenya Captain Smart because ultimately Baumia attempt free. Now maybe say Captain Smart SHS na okita. Captain Smart SHS na okita. Ultimately obia or your PhD. Now what Jimmy we are saying at 10 cent grandpa. What Jimmy said who SHS what's saying PhD holder bon. What is this world turning into? Because Ghana for Mumubia Jamu and Muabi Mua Mponchibi in maybe already or my dream. They are taking you for fools. Because some of them say assembly on Bekambiano you consume. This is the problem. And one who say assembly on Bekambiano Ghana for Mumbi, you are so easily convinced. You consume so much stupidity. That is where a more when you find a move on my dream. Nankawuni Mia and Kawati some one samna and Kawashi Shema will say, Nyansa Sembe the woman. Missy Ken or Hina Japong or Nipo. He is a human being. Into one Trahoma, a Kwakusket because of the US. You see, the whole import of the issue is that Omunim so much US. Into Assembly and Kaum. Into Musoria, no more concocted stories. No more fabricated stories. And they can see open image. Now can ye MP Tino? As if for second man kasa. Can ye di because we MP we need chassis. Why MP Tidian? So if Ken is an MP into one name of what say Kwakusket Nika Vintela Embuli ni Mercy. Into the now do ye or ye president into ye Jaima Muabi Guna ni Mercy at dinner term. Hey, I don't know. We have only one president, and until Papa na really term no, there is none other than Nana Adranko Kufuado. Edward or any Duma. Edward is working. Baba, can you get me some handkerchief from my listen? Edward is working or any Duma. This man is working or any Duma or be no be able to. Never in your life think say a muabi or muni come for and then kwasefo bi ho muni come for e jimifo me see nenefo kran po the kaida nenefo e wo nen kaida. One day people will forever remember Edward William Ekufuado. Ghana for me see one day you will remember Edward William Ekufuado. Asim for one day you remember Kennedy Ohine Japan. Don't sit there for no entities in more be a Jimmy phobia of Mamma wanted to omo. Oman co school da. Oman co practice. School for them come me Yako baby. Omunye Omumo Brebi or Mabrabo to insult them unabated every day. Again, Bonnie no my. Baumia dear one in a white year, Captain Smarter into a Soribio so dinner tama Nagana for Mujitum. Because Captain Smart a mere journalist or no one issue on a brabum. Built a mansion, and I repeat, built a mansion on Galamsey and the extortion of money. And they're gonna radio station now. Where we are, that guy simply put, or a web. Captain Smart is a web. They didn't share what Jimmy for. I want to trouble you tonight, any. And me catch or me see or Henry David. Listen to me and look at my face. Many more tantantayo and your fair. But would you watching me because what poor? And I wouldn't penny for them. Wouldn't matter, but I want to warn you. Me see, umbre besun, more time ever. The day of reckoning is here. Dink of Watema because Ghana ni awati sebi Ghana. Mamboe ni Ghana ni. Dream ni Ghana ni. Fraud ni Ghana ni to say Captain Smart. This man is telling you stories because Sika opened. And some of us we will not budge. Who can one can you? Me see, a cradia, who bought one how much did Captain Smart, me see, you also from Commander to Sugar Factory to a ferry hospital. A woman who said, Captain Smart, what you a fool? Now we will be away wicked. Who are me to within the God's brain and Satan's brain? If your mother, Captain Smart, named you God's brain, if your father, which we don't know, who pose papa, Captain